Here's the truth. Most people don't struggle with money because of math. They struggle because of mindset. And if you don't fix the way you think about money, no budget or side hustle is going to save you. Today, we're breaking down 6 big reasons people stay broke. Not just bad habits, but mental traps. And for each one, I'll give you a mindset shift that can completely change how you handle your money. The first trap is short-term thinking. You get paid Friday, and by Monday, it's gone. Why? Because your brain values instant pleasure more than future security. The fix is to flip the script. Before you spend on wants, pay your future self first. Automate savings and investments so you don't even see that money as spendable. Second reason, people think a high income equals financial freedom. But income without savings is just lifestyle inflation. You get a raise, then upgrade your car, your apartment, your wardrobe. Suddenly, you're still broke, just in nicer clothes. The fix is this: measure wealth by net worth, not paycheck size. Track assets, debts, and savings rate, not just income. Third trap, normalizing debt. Credit cards, car loans, even buy now, pay later. They make debt feel casual. But interest is compounding against you every single day. The fix is to treat debt like an emergency. Cut it down fast and stop carrying balances. Think of debt as a fire. You don't decorate the house while it's burning. Fourth, fear. People are scared to invest because they don't want to lose money. But hiding your cash in a savings account is guaranteed loss thanks to inflation. The fix: reframe investing as ownership, not gambling. Start with index funds. Automate contributions. And remember, the market rewards patience, not panic. Fifth trap, comparing yourself. You see friends buying houses, vacations, or luxury items, and you feel behind. But you don't see their credit card balance or financial stress. The fix is to run your race. Focus on building freedom, not flexing. Comparison drains your wallet and your peace of mind. And finally, a toxic mindset that money is bad or greedy. If you believe rich people are evil, part of you will sabotage your own success because you don't want to become that. The fix: see money as a tool, not a villain. Money just amplifies who you already are. If you're generous broke, you'll be generous rich. So here's your challenge. Pick one of these mindset fixes and put it into practice this week. Stop trying to overhaul everything overnight. Money change happens step by step. The biggest shift is realizing money problems aren't solved with just spreadsheets. They're solved in your head first. Change your money mindset, and the habits will follow. That's how you go from surviving to thriving.